Alright, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video what I got going on for you guys is I'm going to be going over how you guys can afford a sneaker bot on a budget in 2021 and really in further years down the line. Just this is kind of a guide for this year, kind of just starting it out and showing you guys how you'll be able to really, if you don't have a lot of money right now, how you could start botting and really get into it more so you can kind of learn the basics and actually learn how to make some money from it. So you can resell or do whatever because you learn how to use the bots. But I hope you guys will enjoy. It's just kind of again adding to my series of making these botting videos. I'm going to continue this since I know you guys have wanted more of these, so I got you all. If you want more content like this, again, it'll be coming on the channel. Just stay tuned every week. Just subscribe and like down below, and I got you all. I was trying to like 200 likes on this video. Again, that's the most basic goal, normal goal we go for, and I'd appreciate if you could hit that goal. But yeah, that's really everything I have to say there. Other than if you haven't joined my Discord down below, then man, you are missing out. It's a good time down there. But yeah, let's get started, shall we? Alright, so as you guys can see, I am here with the screen recording. So I always just kind of say this at the start of everyone, as you guys know if you've been tuned in. But if you want to go give my Instagrams a follow down below, this is one of them. Also got my resale one. I'll eventually be posting there. Once I got my investments right here, once they are time to sell them, then I'll be posting those. But aside from my IGs, let's just kind of go over really a great place where you guys can buy, sell, trade, rent bots. It's awesome. I want to give a huge shout out to Tidal Marketplace. Now, this Discord you can join for free down below, and I've been partnered with them for a while, so shout out to them. And basically what they are is they are like a whole Discord group chat, and I'm kind of going to move this over, there you go, but they're like a whole Discord group chat, and they allow you to buy, sell, and really rent bots in this Discord, and it's 100% safe and protected because they got this whole like middleman service, and it's a really great place where you can do this. Now, me kind of explaining this is also a good place where you can also afford a sneaker bot on a budget, because again, it allows you to rent bots and buy and sell, trade bots. So basically you could get into all that, but also you can just rent some of these bots from people that actually own versions. So weekly you could just, instead of buying the bot, you could rent it, and it actually could save you some money right there. So it's a really cool thing, and I'm kind of going to show how it would work in a second. But renting the bots is really how you would be able to afford a sneaker bot, because again, you'd really only would need like $100-200 to get started with this. And this group chat, I guess you could call it that, like this group chat Discord has over, you can see 74,000 members right now, over 70,000 members, which is crazy. I just want to point that out. And they have so many different channels for like different bots. Like as you can see, they really got like all these types of bots. So like let's go down here. So let's say I wanted to just get Balco bot. Let's say I just wanted to rent it. You can see there's different people like renting like out bots for like certain prices, like for a month. So like see, I wanted to rent like Balco bot for like Balco bot for a month, like $200 for a month right there. And it's a really great thing because this group chat allows you, again, I keep calling it a group chat, but this Discord really allows you to do that with a bunch of kinds of bots. Like you could rent Cyber, you could rent Dash, you could go get Eve, Phantom. The only bot that I really want off the top of my head that I know that you can't rent, like I was talking with people in this that are kind of like EU users, since Ganesh is a really good bot for over in the EU. Can't rent that one, however, but you can buy, sell, and trade that one, I'm pretty sure, with other bots, which is cool. Like they really have everything in here in terms of bots. So this is a really great place to do that. And again, I'm kind of going to show how you would rent a bot right here. So let's say you see my boy, I can't pronounce his last name, but hey, shout out him. But let's just say I wanted to rent Balco bot from him right here. And again, this is a kind of the process. So like let's say I only had like $200 and then I had some money left over for a certain job. So as we know, Balco bot, it has the info right here. Where is it here? I'm just going to kind of scroll up to it. You can see what they run on right now. You can see they're running on Foot, Site Supreme, UC Supply, Off-White. Those are a few of the places they go. And it's a decent bot from what I've seen. They're not bad. They're decent. It's kind of one I'm throwing out there. They're better options, but this is just one, again, I'm using guys as an example for the video. So let's say I needed a good bot for Foot Sites, and I was like, all right, I'm looking at Balco bot. It's looking decent. I think I'm going to go rent this because there's an upcoming Jordan 1 drop that's going to be a lot of going to be on a lot of Foot Sites, Volt Golds. But yeah, I'm just what I'm saying. So this would be a good place, a good bot for that. So like let's say I was going for those Volt Golds, and I was like, man, I need a bot. Obviously I'd probably go with a different choice, but no diss to Balco. Shout out my boys there. I don't know him, but yeah. So like I just go right here again to rent and sell, and I would just go say, okay, Sleek Heat right here, he's renting Balco bot daily, so it looks like he's renting it for $20 a day. Now I could just go here to this guy because he's doing the $200 monthly deal for Balco bot, or $80 a week, so I could just rent it for a week. So what I would do is basically I would save his Discord user. I'm not going to pop it up because I'm not just going to get this dude like random messages, but I would just go into here to Tidal right under this section, and you can see there's plenty of people posting it. So I would just go back up to this dude's I just lost it, but like let's say I would go to anybody's, like this dude just renting it for the whole month of January for $140. I'd get his user, I'd go right up here, so you can see they got like the whole middleman ticket submission thing. And basically what this ticket submission does, as you can see, all middlemen, they do deals right here. You can point out scammers in here, like if you catch a scammer, you can point one out in here, but really the middleman right here in this Discord, this is like a place where you make tickets if you're renting a certain bot. So let's say again, I wanted to, rent Balco out, I would just do a new Balco, and then basically I would just click enter and it would make a ticket right there for me. And then basically what I would do is I would get hit up by a middleman. He'd be like, yo, who are you renting it from, for a month, who you're doing the deal with. And then basically the middleman would just like legit check the bot, make sure the person's safe, if they got legit jet route. Make sure you always are checking people's references too. You want to make sure that their references and legit. And like that's one way you could really afford bots on a budget right there, because the middleman will kind of do the deal. And again, how you really could use again all the services right here, like the pricing for the middleman is all like right here. You can see everything right here. Like you get a one transaction free, like a free middleman ticket after you've rented a bot enough or used enough of the middleman services. But again, how you could get access to these services for Tidal, again, down below in the description. If you want to join that Discord, it's $10 every 3 months. I mean, the Discord's free to get into, but the thing is that actual services to use them in the Discord, that's $10 every 3 months. But if you use my code Tristan Wick, don't forget you get 50% off. So you actually only have to pay $5 every 3 months to use those services in there. And I just want to kind of point out that that's something you guys can use right there, and it's a really great place. So you can rent a bunch of different types of bots. They even got like release channels and different stuff like that. So they're even helping you guys out with certain drops. They got proxies and stuff like that. It's really great. But this is really how I would really start out by affording a sneaker bot on a budget, because this place again is renting like out so many different types of places. And as you guys know, you can just go on YouTube and like find guides for certain bots, and there's a lot of really good ones out there. So like if you just got a certain type of bot, go look up a guide on YouTube for that kind of bot. I'm eventually going to be getting into that soon and doing guides for certain bots. I promise you all that'll be coming sooner or later on the channel. Just give it a little bit of time. We're just going to start learning to use them a bit more now, but I kind of can show you all where to get them. And this is again the place where you could buy some, rent them, and how you could afford it on a budget. So another thing I want to point out, aside from Tidal right here, maybe we could discuss a couple ways right now on making some money, because I know some of y'all are probably like, okay, I know where to get the bots now, but I need to know how to actually make some money, because I don't got the money yet, you know what I mean? So personally, again, I said a really great way again to kind of get into money again is sacrificing a bit of money. I've always discussed sneaker investing. It's kind of again just kind of like stocks. You can hold money and make some that way. I've always discussed again kind of reselling sneakers too, just kind of buying and flipping sneakers. I've made plenty of videos on that. You guys can go check out on the channel. That really can help you out there. Like again, you can go check my reselling Instagram down below. You can make an Instagram that's like similar to that one. Just kind of use that format that I got on my Instagram, right? And that's a whole Instagram page I got there dedicated to selling shoes, buying, selling, trading, all that. And you guys can do the same, because again, Instagram's a really popular app, for resellers and like for people that are just trying to make some money off flipping shoes. And I've made guides on how to like where to buy shoes and all that for the low. So like you can get started on reselling used shoes. Even I've done that before. So again, it's really how you would afford a sneaker bot on a budget, in my opinion. It's how you'd make the money for it, where you'd go. Again, Tidal is kind of that go-to place for renting and selling bots. Over to 70k members. I mean, I don't even think I need to say much more. It's a crazy nice group chat, and a huge shout out to Tidal right there. So that's how you guys will make the money right now. I've kind of directed you to some of my videos right there, where you can go online, you can make a reselling page on Instagram, and that's how you would afford the sneaker bots right there, because these guys allow you to rent them, so you don't even have to pay the full price for them, or you could even get some good deals because you can negotiate them in here. Just make sure you're always legit checking and being safe with people, but you never have to worry about getting scammed, because you can use the middleman service, which is great, and I definitely recommend using that for bigger bots 100%. So that's all I'm gonna say. End the screen recording, and huge shout out to my boys at Tidal. So make sure you guys stay affordable in 2021, and make some money there. Let's roll the outro. Anyways, if you guys want more content right here, just like this video, again, be sure you guys go ahead and subscribe below, and also drop a like. I'd really appreciate that, because the goal is 200 likes. As I always say, I mean, I don't know how many times I've said that honestly at this point, but you know what? We're just gonna keep going with it, because you guys have showed mad support lately. Like, thank you for the video support. Like yesterday's video, thank you all for watching that, and the content support lately. Really, you guys have been doing just watching the videos, so thank you. I'm glad you guys enjoyed the content. And also join my Discord down below. The link will be there. Hopefully it's like an updated one. Just let me know if you can join on my Discord. If my link isn't working, let me know. If the Tidal link isn't working, let me know. I mean, you could just go to their Instagram, Tidal Market, and even in the description right there, I got links right there to join down below, so they really all should work and be updated and fine. And yeah, my Instagrams are down there in the description also. I'm pretty sure I just said something about my Instagrams, but if I didn't, go check those out down below too. And that's everything I'm gonna say. Give me a follow if you want. But I'm T. Thank you all for watching, and have a good day. And I'm out. Peace.